Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can turn off the save and fill addresses feature in the Avast browser for enhanced privacy, for example. So let us dive into this. Just that you know, guys, that feature is usually enabled on default or activated here in Avast. So if you just installed the browser, you will need to deactivate it manually if you don't intend to use it. This is how you can do it. You will need to navigate to your browser settings through these three dots in the top right, select settings here. Then navigate to autofill and passwords, select addresses and more. And you will see this feature I just mentioned here. And it was, at least for me in my case, it may be different for you, but for me it was enabled. Disable this. And that is going to stop Avast from filling these address fields in forms, for example, and so on and so forth. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got somebody from it, and we catch you later.